Imagine living in a world where machines can anticipate your needs even before you do. Could this be the future that is heralding? Or is it merely a fantasy? This isn't just a plot from a science fiction novel. Buckle up and welcome to AI for Dummies, the future of AI. We're about to take a deep dive into the fascinating universe of artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, driven by intricate algorithms and calculations. AI is not about turning machines into humans, but about making them smarter and more efficient, thereby improving our lives. From self-driving cars to voice-activated personal assistants, AI is quickly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It's influencing every industry, every field, and every aspect of human existence. I'm Thomas Bedell, the founder of Blue Heron Media Group, and I'll be your guide as we uncover the mysteries surrounding artificial intelligence. You may find yourself wondering, is this the future, or has it already become our reality? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share our journey as we explore the future of AI together. Let's get started. AI isn't just about fancy gadgets and sci-fi movies. It's already making waves in fields like healthcare. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed before they become life-threatening, where patient care is personalized to the minutest details, and where new life-saving drugs are discovered at a pace faster than ever before. That's the world we're living in today, thanks to artificial intelligence. Take disease diagnosis, for example. In the past, doctors had to rely on their experience and intuition to diagnose diseases, sometimes leading to human error. But now, we have AI algorithms that can analyze medical images and patient data with such precision that they can often spot telltale signs of diseases like cancer or heart disease before a human doctor could. And it's not just about diagnosing diseases. AI is revolutionizing patient care as well. From AI-powered chatbots that can provide instant medical advice to wearable devices that can monitor a patient's health in real time and alert doctors if something goes wrong, AI is making healthcare more efficient and personalized. But perhaps the most exciting application of AI in healthcare is in drug discovery. Developing a new drug is a complex and time-consuming process that can take years, if not decades. But with AI, we can analyze a vast amount of data about diseases and potential drug compounds in a fraction of the time. This is enabling us to discover new drugs and treatments faster than ever before, potentially saving countless lives. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine the possibilities it will bring to healthcare. AI in healthcare, not a distant dream, but a living reality, saving lives, one algorithm at a time. From small startups to multinational corporations, AI is transforming the way we do business. Let's dive into the world of business, where artificial intelligence is making waves. Imagine a customer service that never sleeps, that always has the right answers, and that can handle multiple inquiries at once. This is no longer a figment of imagination, but a reality made possible by AI. Companies are leveraging AI-powered chatbots to provide round-the-clock support, significantly improving customer satisfaction and saving costs. Moving on to data analysis, AI has proven to be a game changer. It's like having an army of analysts working tirelessly to make sense of the vast amounts of data generated every day. AI can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to spot, providing businesses with invaluable insights. These insights can guide everything from marketing strategies to product development, and can even predict future trends, giving businesses a competitive edge. And speaking of predictions, let's talk about predictive modeling. With AI, businesses can forecast future outcomes with an impressive degree of accuracy. Whether it's predicting sales trends, customer behavior, or potential risks, AI is helping businesses stay one step ahead. Think of it as having a crystal ball that provides not just vague predictions, but precise and actionable insights. The applications of AI in business are diverse and transformative. AI is not just a tool, it's a strategic partner that can drive growth, innovation, and efficiency. It's revolutionizing customer service, enabling smarter data analysis, and making predictive modeling more accurate than ever before. But it's important to remember that AI is not here to replace us. Instead, it's here to augment our abilities and free us from mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on what we do best: being human. Embracing AI in business is not about replacing the human touch, but enhancing it. AI in business, the secret sauce of success in the 21st century. Education is the foundation of our future, and AI is reshaping that foundation. Imagine a world where education is not a one-size-fits-all model, but a tailor-made experience that adapts to each learner's unique needs. This is not a far-off futuristic concept. It's happening now thanks to artificial intelligence. Let's take a look at how AI is revolutionizing education. Firstly, we have personalized learning. With AI, students can now learn at their own pace and have a curriculum designed specifically for their learning style and strengths. For instance, AI-powered platforms can track a student's progress in real time, identify areas where they are struggling, and provide personalized resources to help them improve. This individualized approach ensures that no student is left behind and every learner gets the most out of their education. Then there's the administrative side of things. AI is being used to streamline administrative tasks such as scheduling, grading, and even tracking student attendance. By automating these mundane tasks, educators can focus more on what they do best: teaching and inspiring young minds. AI is also revolutionizing student assessments. Traditional tests and exams often only measure a student's ability to memorize information, but with AI, we can assess a student's understanding and application of concepts in a more holistic way. AI-powered assessment tools can provide instant feedback, helping students learn from their mistakes immediately and improve their understanding of the subject matter. Moreover, AI is making education more accessible. For example, AI-powered language translation apps are breaking down language barriers, enabling students from all over the world to access educational materials in their native language. In short, AI is not just changing how we teach, but also what it means to learn. It's creating more inclusive, effective, and personalized educational experiences. It's helping us to teach the leaders of tomorrow in a way that prepares them for the challenges and opportunities of the future. AI in education, teaching the leaders of tomorrow, today. Entertainment isn't just about fun and games, it's about experiences, and AI is enhancing those experiences. Let's take a look at how AI is transforming the entertainment industry. One of the most noticeable ways is through content creation. Artificial intelligence is now capable of composing music, writing scripts, and even creating visual art. A fascinating example is how AI has been used to generate new episodes for long-ended TV shows by analyzing previous episodes and creating scripts that capture the same humor and style. Next, let's delve into the world of recommendation systems. Streaming platforms use AI to analyze your viewing history and preferences, giving you tailored suggestions for what to watch next. This isn't just about keeping you hooked, it's about making your entertainment experience more personal and satisfying. Imagine always having a perfectly curated list of shows and movies at your fingertips, all thanks to AI. But the magic of AI in entertainment doesn't stop there. Virtual reality, or VR, is another area where AI is making a big splash. AI is being utilized to make VR experiences more immersive and realistic. It can generate dynamic, responsive environments that adapt to the user's actions, making the virtual world feel almost as real as the physical one. For instance, in a VR game, if a player decides to interact with an object in an unexpected way, AI can help the game respond in a logical and immersive manner. AI is also being used in the creation of virtual characters and personalities. These AI-powered characters can learn and evolve, providing a unique and engaging experience for each user. Think about having a virtual companion who can understand and respond to your emotions, creating a whole new level of interaction. Indeed, the world of entertainment is being revolutionized by AI. It's not just about watching or listening anymore. It's about interaction, personalization, and immersion. AI is at the forefront of these advancements, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI in entertainment, creating experiences that are out of this world. So what does the future hold for AI? Will it be a blessing or a curse? As we look into the crystal ball, the future of AI is both thrilling and nerve-wracking. AI is set to become an integral part of our everyday lives, with the potential to radically transform the world as we know it. Imagine a world where autonomous vehicles are the norm. No more traffic jams or road accidents, as every vehicle on the road communicates with each other, making split-second decisions to ensure smooth and safe traffic flow. Imagine the convenience and safety that could bring. Picture a smart city where AI manages everything from traffic lights to waste disposal, ensuring maximum efficiency and sustainability. Buildings that regulate their own energy use, public transportation that adjusts its routes and schedules in real time based on demand, and waste management systems that sort and recycle trash without human intervention. Now, let's think even bigger, human-like robots that not only perform tasks, but also understand and mimic human emotions. Robots that could provide companionship, care for the elderly, or even teach our children. But with all these exciting possibilities, there are also risks. As AI becomes more advanced, ethical and security concerns arise. Could AI systems be manipulated for malicious purposes? What happens if an autonomous vehicle malfunctions, or a human-like robot develops its own intentions? And as AI takes on more tasks, what will happen to jobs? These are not easy questions, and they don't have easy answers. But they are questions we need to ask and keep asking as we continue to develop and implement AI technology. We also need to ensure that AI is developed responsibly with robust safeguards in place to prevent misuse and protect people's rights. That way, we can maximize the benefits of AI while minimizing the risks. The future of AI, a journey into the unknown. But one thing is certain, it's going to be an exciting ride. Let's take a step back and look at the big picture we've painted today. Through the course of our journey, we've demystified the enigmatic concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, and explored its profound impact across various fields. What was once the fantasy of science fiction writers and futuristic movies has become an integral part of our everyday lives. Whether it's healthcare, business, education, or entertainment, AI has laid its transformative touch everywhere, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. We began our expedition in the realm of healthcare, where AI has emerged as a game changer. It's not just about robots performing surgeries or diagnosing diseases, although that's impressive enough. AI is also aiding in drug discovery, personalizing patient care, and predicting health risks before they escalate. And this is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for AI to save lives and improve health outcomes is truly extraordinary. Our journey then took us to the world of business. AI isn't just an optional add-on here, it's becoming the backbone of many industries. From automating routine tasks to predicting market trends, AI is changing the rules of the game. It's enabling businesses to make smarter decisions, boost productivity, and deliver more personalized customer experiences. It's not about replacing humans, but rather empowering them to do what they do best, while AI takes care of the rest. Next, we ventured into the field of education, where AI is reshaping the learning landscape. It's personalizing education by adapting to each student's unique learning style, pace, and interests. It's helping teachers to identify gaps in learning and provide targeted support. And it's making education more accessible, breaking down barriers, and opening up new avenues of learning for people all over the world. We also explored the realm of entertainment, where AI is creating new forms of art, music, and even storytelling. It's enhancing our gaming experiences, personalizing our movie recommendations, and even writing songs. The line between human creativity and AI-generated content is blurring, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and redefining the meaning of creativity. As we look towards the future of AI, it's clear that we're only scratching the surface of its potential. The possibilities are as vast as our imagination. AI could help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges, from climate change to poverty. It could reshape our societies, economies, and even our understanding of what it means to be human. But it's not without its challenges and ethical dilemmas. As we forge ahead, it's crucial that we navigate this brave new world with caution, ensuring that AI serves humanity and not the other way around. In summary, AI is no longer a distant dream or a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's influencing every aspect of our lives. It's an exciting time to be alive, witnessing and being a part of this technological revolution. But it's also a time of great responsibility. As we embrace AI, we must also strive to understand it, to control it, and to use it for the betterment of all. AI isn't just about technology, it's about us, our dreams, our challenges, our future. So, are you ready to embrace the AI revolution? As we wrap up, it's important to remember that artificial intelligence is a tool, one with immense potential to transform lives and societies for the better. It's an exciting journey we're all on, and this video is just a small peek into the world of AI. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you've found it enlightening. This is just the beginning, and there's so much more to explore. Remember, the future of AI is in our hands. We have the power to shape it, to harness it, and to ensure it works for the benefit of all. As we continue to explore and decode the mysteries of AI, I hope you'll join us on this exciting journey. But remember, the revolution doesn't just start with AI. It starts with you. It starts with us. Together, we can shape a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. I'm Thomas Bedell, the founder of Blue Heron Media Group, a subsidiary of Blue Heron Companies. We're passionate about showcasing technologies that have the power to transform our world. If you found this informative and want to stay updated on the latest in AI and technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep dreaming. The future is now, and it's ours to shape. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious.